Hello and welcome to my channel. Ever wondered how ice cars reset themselves? Please watch on.
It's a nightmare final, the Europa League for Arsenal fans, but I'm assuming that you'll have some sort of Man United shirt on that night.
What football does to you, right, is ridiculous, because if you're a Arsenal fan, you'll be rooting for Manchester United in a major European final to win, and then
In 800 metres, take the exit toward Cambridge, Harlow.
can't have Spurs winning, because, again, the jeopardy of that game, mate, is off the scale, isn't it? Because whoever wins it, you go, yeah, you've had a good season because you've won a major European trophy and you're in the Champions League. Whoever loses it, you've had the worst season of your club's history.
Yes, turn off and turn on again. If this incident wasn't serious, I'd be laughing. You heard me say, what an idiot, and that was my honest reaction when I saw this poor driver on the M25. Basically, when drivers are not prepared, then incidents like road rage or crashes are more likely to occur. Remember the old adage, if you fail to prepare, then prepare to fail. This is my approach to driving, and I hope other road users will make good preparations before driving off. Thanks for watching and stay safe.